This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your browsing data out of the Arc web browser using an iPhone. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Arc web browser. To clear your browsing data, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on the little up arrow. Then you'll go down to where it says Site Settings and tap on Site Settings. And from here, you will scroll down a ways, down to where you see it says App Settings. Tap on App Settings. And then you'll scroll down a little ways, and right in here, Clear Browsing Data. Tap on Clear Browsing Data. Now a little dialog box pops open. It asks you what you want to clear. Do you want to clear your history? Do you want to clear your cache? Do you want to clear your cookies and site data? If you want to clear all of them, you just toggle them on or off, whatever you want to clear, whatever you don't want to clear. Then you'll go down to the bottom and you'll tap on Clear. It says Cleared Browsing Data. That is how you clear your browsing data on the Arc web browser. Thanks for watching.